I'm about to go plant these flowers in the backyard. I got these very long ago, last month, and I needed to pick some weeds. So I was doing it with bare hands. And the girl got towed up, so I went ahead and bought these gloves to see if they fit. Yes, tight as glove. So there's some grass out there. I don't know. I think I need to pull them out of the ground. But I'm about to plant these beautiful things, and hopefully they're nice and green. So come with me to plant these beautiful linearis mix, whatever. Linearis. Let's just go. This is the pots. I don't have a shovel or anything. The soil is super damp. Gotta come out. I'm gonna go get the trash can. I got the bin out. Cause what are these? Like, is this weeds? Like, what is this? Like, what if I'm pulling something that's good? What is this? Catnip? Look at all that. It's like all this network of plant life and all that. Look how small. Wait. This is like crumbs. Anyways, let's go over here and get closer. So this is one set that's in this little hole, another one, and another one, and another one. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know, water them. I don't know if I'm supposed to cover them. They said it's supposed to stay moist. They're supposed to stay moist for at least 7 days. And I don't know if you can see this one. This one. I don't know. Okay. Let me zoom out a little bit.